Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what your TV can run and why that matters. Apps versus router-level VPN changes setup and performance. Create or log into a VPN account, pick a server region for content access, and decide if you'll install the provider's app on the TV or configure your router. Once done, gather credentials and any router admin access. Make sure you have an Ethernet or stable Wi-Fi connection to reduce buffering and enable consistent encrypted traffic for streaming. You now install and configure. If your TV supports the VPN app, download it from the store, sign in, and allow necessary permissions. If not, configure your router, flash compatible firmware, or use the router's VPN client, then input server, username, and password. Once connected, set the TV to use that network or connect via Ethernet. Test streaming a region-restricted service and try multiple servers to find the fastest one. Enable the kill switch to prevent accidental IP leaks when the VPN drops. You finish by validating the setup. Run an IP check on the TV or a connected device to confirm the VPN server location, then stream the target catalog. If you see buffering or errors, switch to a closer server, lower playback quality, or plug the TV into Ethernet to reduce packet loss. If problems persist, reboot the TV and router, clear app cache, verify DNS settings, and update firmware. Contact your VPN support with logs. A single key tip: try a different server before blaming the TV or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.